The 9033 M-11 angled mini sander is an extremely compact, eminently handy little tool. It's only 126mm long and features an impressively ergonomic design. Like other products in the mini tools range, the multi-bearing gearbox offers 2.5 times the service life of comparable gearboxes. The innovative 5-blade design guarantees that these tools have more power than comparable competing products. The 9033 M-11 supports Roloc compatible sanding pads with 50mm diameter. The wide range of available sanding pads means that this handy little tool can be used for many different tasks. Here too, HAZET offers a series of accessories for a host of applications. The HAZET Mini sander is optimized for spot repair tasks and allows gentle and effective cleaning of a broad range of surfaces. Its small size makes it ideal for working in cramped, hard-to-reach spaces.